My kids will come back in 2 hours, so let's see how much we get done in 2 hours. My mother-in-law has a garden and she grows vegetable there. We got tons of fresh vegetable and the red turnip is one of them. Before I start cooking, I always check my fridge and pantry to see if there's anything I need to use it up so that I won't waste anything. Then go shopping to get the things I truly need for this week as opposed to blindly buying whatever I feel like it. You see, like as soon as it's coated with the marinade, it turns pink. It's so pretty. When I do meal prepping, I pick the recipe which has some overlapping ingredients. For today, I use green peppers on both MISO stir-fry and spring roll. In a way, I can use them up before they perish. We all know meal prepping is probably good, but it seems overwhelming. That's what I support in my course. From learning Japanese ingredients to meal planning, I get you covered with exclusive contents and interactive support in the community group. Feel free to check out what other students have changed their life. The link is in the description box. It's not easy to filming at the same time cooking. In Japan, we start to see new vegetable in spring, new onion, new carrot, new burdock, the list goes on. They are usually very moist and sweet. Like for example, this new onion is less pungent compared to regular one, so great for eating raw. If you are living in Japan, please give them a try. Not to overfill the filling. I remember when I tried this first time and I obviously overfilled and it actually exploded when I cook it. So to just keep it maybe like a little more than 1 tablespoon would be great for 1 sheet of spring roll. And as you can see, it's very thick. The consistency is almost like a jelly-like consistency. And if it's too liquidy, the skin is gonna explode when you cook it. So just make sure it's thick enough. Okay. We did it, guys! It actually takes longer than I thought, but it was fun to cook with you guys. And all the recipe, not all, but some of the recipes are on my website, so check out the link in the description box below. And this tamanagi koji still needs a 5 to 10 days to be fermented, so I will report you once it's done. Report you once it's done. I will tell you, I will keep you posted how it goes. Hooray! Hey, tsukaretayo! Okay. Now we made 9 dishes, so let me show you what I do with them throughout the week.